everyone, we're gonna make up some Mary Jane Farm bear burritos, and we're gonna add in some sauteed onions, green pepper, and jalapeno. So I'm gonna get some of this stuff cut up here. Put a whole jalapeno in here. Kristen really likes them. Alright, we're going to add a green pepper for some color. We're going to get this water boiling over here. This will be the water that we use for the burrito mix. And over on this one, I'm going to get some olive oil going to saute some vegetables. Alright guys, we switched over to a cast iron skillet. The flame on the bottom of this propane stove is just too hot to get this stuff going. So it looks like it's going right now, so I'm going to throw these vegetables on here. Let those caramelize a little bit. I'm gonna add some black pepper to this. Wow. A little bit of salt. Some cayenne pepper. That saute up there a little bit, and Kristen over there is putting the burrito mix in there. And how long has that got to cook for?
About 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, and we should be ready to go. All right, everyone, I'm gonna put together my burrito here. This Mary Jane burrito mix. Got it pretty runny. Some of these veggies over here. Just gonna flip them up on a plate like that. Yeah. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese in there. A little bit of hot sauce. Yeah. And we're gonna roll this puppy up and give it a taste. Alright everyone, I'm gonna give these burritos a taste. Looks like they're pretty good because Kristen already almost mowed hers down. Either that or she's pretty hungry. She's very good. Tasty. Burritos down in Southern California. It's the scene.